Hi, Wes Lee with your weekly Mesonet Weather Report. After a fairly normal spring, at least temperature-wise, June arrived with a vengeance. Daily high temperatures statewide far exceeded the normal highs of between 86 and 88 degrees. This chart plots the normal high temperatures in the blue fill and the actual June temperatures for the entire state with the dark line. Except for the temporary one-day reprieve created by a cold front on Wednesday, late summertime-like temps have baked the state. Unfortunately, the heat is expected to continue into next week and even longer. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for June 15th through the 19th. The tan and red colors indicate a greater than normal chance of being above the long-term normal. Especially devastating is the heat expected for the drought-stricken panhandle. Things don't seem to improve much when you look out at the predictions for the following week. Tans and reds still cover the entire state. This heat, with no additional rainfall, is quickly depleting the soil moisture in western Oklahoma. This map is the percentage of plant available water down to the 16-inch depth. There is less than 20% available water in the majority of the root zone in the Panhandle and many western counties. Now here's Gary with a look at the limited rainfall since April.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, the story this week is pretty simple. We have drought rapidly intensifying across the state of Oklahoma. Not only that, but it's rapidly spreading as well. Let's get right to the new drought monitor map and see what we have. As you can see, much of the northwestern quarter of the state is now covered by at least some kind of drought, whether it's moderate to severe to extreme. We now have that extreme spreading from Cimarron County out into western Texas County, but little dollops of that extreme drought also in the southeastern part of Texas County, and also over in Blaine and Kingfisher counties. And then we have the severe drought, of course, covering most of Texas County, and then parts of Dewey County and more of Kingfisher County. But then we have the moderate drought filling in the rest of that area. So we do see an increase from last week, and it's pretty significant. This is a flash drought situation, so we're really looking at this the last couple of months of rainfall where it's really started to intensify. And we look at the observed Mesonet rainfall for the last 60 days, we can see that pretty clearly. An inch out in Boise City in the Cimarron County area. But then look over in Blaine and Dewey counties, Kingfisher counties, 2.2 inches of rain, 2.6, 3.1. So those are areas, again, that are missing out on all the good rainfall. And really that's the case for much of northwestern Oklahoma. Looking at the departure from normal rainfall map for that same time frame, the last 60 days, we see significant deficits over that area, especially in Blaine and Dewey counties, nearly 6 inches below normal in Kingfisher County. And then out in the Panhandle, much of northwest Oklahoma, from 2 to 4 inches below normal. But really, much of the state for the last 60 days has not had a surplus of moisture. Only over in far eastern Oklahoma do we see a general pattern of above normal rainfall. Again, this is a flash drought. It's rapidly intensifying, so we're just going to have to hope for some rainfall. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.